Hey everyone, Broker Bill back with you. We're deep into the holiday season. There's something truly magical about Delaware this time of year. Between the crisp air and the twinkling lights, it's hard not to feel that sense of home. Speaking of home, our latest weekly Delaware new community search has turned up some incredible gems that align perfectly with the holiday spirit of starting a fresh chapter. If you've been looking for that perfect age-targeted spot, the hidden inventory is practically wrapped in a bow right now. Our search chat has been buzzing with new opportunities in the areas you love. If you're looking for low maintenance, first floor living, here are the top gems trending this week. Keep an eye on the Cary Farm project. It's moving through the review process and could bring nearly 400 new homes to the Milton area. It's perfect for those who want that small town charm with brand new infrastructure. Traditions at Whitehall and the ponds of Odessa continue to be top searches in the Middletown area. We're seeing spring 2026 delivery homes popping up, meaning you could secure your spot now and be moving in just as the flowers start to bloom. Communities like Cahav's Four Seasons at Scenic Arbor in Lewis and Nobles Pond in Dover are offering fantastic year-end looks. These spots are designed specifically for the lifestyle you're looking for. Active, social, and zero lawnmower required. I have some actual good news for your holiday budget. Mortgage rates have taken a festive dip. As of this week, we're seeing 30-year fixed rates in Delaware average around 5.99%. This is a huge psychological and financial milestone. Dropping below that 6% mark is like the sun coming out. For retirees on a fixed income, this means more purchasing power. That dream kitchen or extra sunroom might just have fit back into your budget now. Lower monthly payments, more money for travel, hobbies, and of course, spoiling the grandkids during the holidays. While you're out scouting these new communities, make sure to take in the local joy. Delaware really knows how to do the holidays. Shelville, of course, we're talking about Shelville. In Rehoboth, it's open through December 30th. If you haven't taken the grandkids or just yourselves to see the maze of lights and the miniature village, you're missing out on pure enchantment. A Longwood Christmas. Just a short drive north, Longwood Gardens is currently a living jewel box. It's the gold standard for holiday displays and a great reminder of why being centrally located in Delaware is so convenient. The Christmas Day Crossing. On Thursday, don't miss the 1776 reenactment at Washington Crossing. It's a powerful, patriotic way to spend the holiday and a staple of our local history. The latest search data shows that while the market is slower due to the season, savvy buyers are using this quiet time to snag the best lots in those new communities before the 2026 spring rush. Don't wait for the world to tell you it's time. If you feel the urge to start your Delaware story, let's make it happen while the lights are bright and the rates are right. That was a pretty neat little rhyme. From Christine, Doug, King, and myself, we wish you a holiday filled with laughter, love, and the excitement of what's to come. Thanks again for tuning in to Broker Bill's Babble. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you and yours. Till next week, where we get towards the end of the year. Bye.